So, you finally graduated. 4 years of stress, caffeine, and pretending you understand what APA referencing means. You walk on that stage, get your degree, take that iconic photo, and 2 months later you're Googling how to make money fast legally, preferably without waking up early. Congratulations, you've officially unlocked the default mode of adulthood, being broke, tired, and confused. But here's the thing, most students don't go broke because they're lazy. They go broke because school secretly trained them to be broke. Yeah, you spent years getting good grades, but zero money grades. Let's break down why this happens and how you can avoid becoming the next broke genius. Reason 1, too focused on studies. Now, there's nothing wrong with studying hard, but here's a fun fact. You can't deposit your GPA into a bank account. A lot of students treat school like a religion. Every waking moment is devoted to assignments, lectures, and trying to remember what the heck polynomial differentiation was about. Meanwhile, real life is standing outside like, hey buddy, want to learn how to make money, build connections, and manage your time? And students are like, no thanks, I have an exam worth 10 marks. When you focus only on academics, you forget that school is just one piece of the puzzle. The other pieces, networking, creativity, leadership, are what actually make you useful in the real world. You can be the smartest person in the room and still broke, because you only know how to answer questions, not how to ask the right ones. You studied advanced thermodynamics, but no one told you how to write a professional email, how to sell your skill, or how to avoid falling for make $5,000 in a week courses. So yeah, study hard, but don't forget to study yourself, your hobbies, your people skills, your ability to adapt. Those are the real grades that pay rent. Reason 2, no digital skills beyond your degree. Now this one hurts because it's so true. You spent 4 years learning how to be an engineer, an accountant, or a doctor, but can't edit a simple PDF, use Excel formulas, or make a LinkedIn profile that doesn't scream, please hire me, I'm desperate. The world runs on digital skills now. Even if you're a literature student, knowing basic design, marketing, editing, or coding can literally triple your income. But most students only learn what's in their syllabus, which is ironic because the syllabus is usually older than your lecturer's Facebook account. When the world moved online, many graduates got left behind. Here's the real cheat code. Pick one digital skill and master it alongside your degree. It can be anything, something that makes you valuable in the digital economy. Because one day you'll realize that the student who learned Photoshop and Canva while skipping lectures is now making more money than the one who actually attended every class. Reason 3, no like-minded friends. This one's subtle, but deadly. You become like the 5 people you hang out with, which means if your 5 closest friends are broke, lazy, and allergic to ambition, you're basically running a group project for failure. In school, we make friends based on vibes. You meet someone, laugh about how the lecturer sounds like a car alarm, and boom, instant friendship. But here's the problem. If your friends never talk about growth, goals, or opportunities, you'll spend your whole youth having fun and no future. Then after graduation, everyone scatters. One friend's stuck in a job they hate, another is still figuring things out, and one guy has started a crypto podcast he doesn't understand. Having like-minded friends, people who actually want something out of life, can completely change your future. Those are the friends who'll send you scholarship links, business ideas, and job openings. They'll hold you accountable when you slack off, and they'll clap when you win, not gossip when you fail. So yeah, build a smart circle early. You can still joke around, but make sure you're growing around. Bonus reason. Nobody taught us money. We all grew up hearing, go to school, get good grades, and you'll be successful. But nobody mentioned how to budget, save, invest, or even file taxes. So most students enter college financially clueless and graduate the same way, except now they also have student loans and a taste for expensive gadgets. You can't manage what you don't understand. That's why learning the basics of money, budgeting, investing, and saving is crucial even before graduation. Read one finance book, watch one finance YouTuber, take one online course. It might just save you from spending your 20s in debt and your 30s recovering from it. How to not go broke after college. Now that you know the traps, here's how to dodge them like a pro. Number 1, diversify your learning. Don't just study your degree. Learn digital skills, soft skills, and how to handle money. Number 2, network on purpose. Join events, online groups, or communities related to your field. The right people open doors faster than any CV. Number 3, start something small. Freelance, sell something, try a side hustle. Even if it fails, you'll learn more than most business courses teach. Number 4, treat college like a launch pad, not a finish line. You're not supposed to leave school with all the answers, just enough curiosity to find them. And number 5, your real flex is financial freedom, not popularity at graduation parties. At the end of the day, most students don't go broke because they're dumb. They go broke because they were never shown how to not be broke. We learned algebra, but not how to calculate rent. We memorized the periodic table, but not how to build a portfolio. We solved imaginary problems and got real ones in return. So if you're still in school, this is your wake-up call. Start learning things that actually matter outside the classroom. And if you've already graduated and think it's too late, it's not. Because you're literally watching a stick man teach you finance, which means you're already smarter than 80% of people who didn't click this video. Now, before you go download free textbooks or accidentally open a digital course website, I'm collecting donations in the form of subscribes to fund the next video. Help a poor stick man out.